Hello friends, in this video we will look at some of the examples of the preposition calculus. So we have seen in the previous videos that what is a preposition variable, what are preposition sentences, how to connect various prepositions using the logical connectives and, or, not, imply, double imply and negation. And now we will look at some of the examples in this video. So suppose we have the statement raining is equal to P. That means preposition P represents the event of raining. The preposition R represents the event of going to a movie, and preposition Q represents we have time. So if we have a sentence like this, if it is not raining and I have time, then I will go to cinema. So whenever you have a if and a then written, you have to use the imply symbol. So we have if it is not raining and I have time. So there is a and symbol between not raining and have time. So have time is Q and raining is P. So we have not raining. So negation of P and Q, and this together implies go to cinema, which is R. So we have negation of P and Q inside a bracket implies R. Then we have it is raining, so I will not go to movie. Now this is also imply, and what is implying what? Raining is implying that we will not go to movie. So raining is P and go to movie is R. So we are saying negation of R. So P implies negation of R. Then we have it is not raining. So simply we will put a negation in front of the P symbol. And then we have I will go to movie if and only if it does not rain. Now whenever we have a if and only if, okay, this one is a only if. If it was a if and only if, that means both will imply each other. But when we have only if, that means one will imply the other. So I will go to movie is R. So R implies negation of P. That means I will go to movie if it doesn't rain. So R implies negation of P. So I hope this example is useful to you, and in the subsequent video we will look at the logical identities. Thank you.